On this episode, we head to a church in Central Florida, where we begin our time there by replacing some doors. But first, let's join Scott as he shares updates to one of our future projects. You won't want to miss this.
Most of you are aware that we have our project in New Mexico, Cuba, New Mexico at Starlight Baptist Church. There's the video on that. If you're on YouTube, you can click the link here for that link if you want to watch it again. And if you're on Facebook, Maria will put that in the description. She'll also put on ways you can give if you'd like to give for that project. If you can't come and help out, but and don't have the time, but you have the resources and like to give for that project, we're about $2,500, $3,000 short of completely funding that, and that is to put bathrooms and running water in at that location. We're going to attach that to the back of the church so people don't have to use the his and her outhouses, but we'll have a indoor plumbing and indoor water and indoor restrooms. So we appreciate all who have given so far, and especially those that are praying. Welcome to this episode of our Journey in Faith. We're currently in Hollister, Florida at the First Baptist Church in Hollister. One of the priorities the pastor wanted here was new doors put in. So that's what we're going to tackle. Hey, good morning. Before we start this episode, if you want to, I wanted to give you an update about before this next episode starts, I want to give you an update on our project in New Mexico at Star Lake Baptist Church. It's by Cuba. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and Maranatha.